Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Check time, 7:59 p.m. Cheeky break in a minute. We are about to begin the evening net of the X1 pairs. All station please stand by. Cheeky break, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening fellow hounds. Good evening Manila. It is 7 of January 2020 Thursday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated or the X1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Security Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission. The X1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. The net control for tonight is for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Binangona, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood 281 Alpha, hook up to Bini G7 hornbow antenna, 37 feet from the ground. Check. To all station, please zero bit your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Second call to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Any relay for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call it now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Second call to any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur club, please call it now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Announcement ko lang po, ako po ay naka-live ngayon sa FB Live. Yung pong malalayo po ay pwede pong check-in kung maaari po, kung hindi po kayo makopya sa netcall ay maaari po kayo magpunta sa aking FB account, Nelson Celosa Paraleas. Diyan po ako nagla-live at marami pong salamat. Ituloy ko lang po itong ano. Since this is a supervised net, therefore all call must be passed through to the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
Copy, Tito Bani. Please stand by. Any more?
For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo.
Copy, Tito Rotboy. Any more?
RH1 Delta Bravo Sierra.
Copy, Tito Fred. Please stand by. Any more?
For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Copy, Tita Amor. Any more? Tito Rotboy, kopya mo yun?
Negative.
Ayun po, pasensya na po dun sa isa at di ko po kayo makopya. Any more station? Nothing heard. Umpisa na po. Tita Amor, Tito Fred, Tito Rotboy. Please stand by. Unahin ko na po si Tito Bani. Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu. Welcome to PRS Evening Net.
Good evening, Nelson. Good evening all around. Joining the net, 73. QRU.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Bani ng Calamba, Laguna from the group DX1 LA. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, magandang gabi and welcome to our Evening Net.
Good evening, Kid Nelson. Good evening, everyone. For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Santa Rosa, Laguna, checking in and supporting our group net. No traffic, 73. God bless.
God bless din, Tito Rotboy. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Rotboy ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, also from the group at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net Church Station. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo is properly logged and cleared. 73, move another station, Tito Fred. For Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra. Welcome to the Evening Net.
This for H1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net and supporting PRS and joining the evening net from the group. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang, Muntinlupa. No traffic, 73 and mabuhay. EU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Copy, Tito Boy. Please stand by. Acknowledge lang po natin si Tito Fred. Acknowledge your station, Tito Fred ng Alabang, Muntinlupa, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net Church Station. Portal 1, Delta Bravo Sierra is properly logged and clear. Move another station. For Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Tita Amor at Corporate Secretary ng DX1 PRS. Welcome to the Evening Net.
Good evening, Nelson and all the stations. This is for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. Number traffic 73 and mabuhay.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tita Amor ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, also from the group at Corporate Secretary ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net and your station for Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is properly logged and clear at becoming NCS of the X1 PRS. 73, move another station. Tawagin natin si Tito Boy, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Sierra. Welcome to Evening Net, Tito Boy.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat nagpapatalala, buwabati ng tiklista 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. Mga traffic, QRU, QRX, QRL, salamat po.
Ayon, maraming ding salamat, Tito Boy. Magandang gabi dyan. Acknowledge Church Station, si Tito Boy ng Tambo, Paranaque. From the group, the X1 Ace, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening Net, your station, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra is properly logged and clear. 70, any more station?
Delta Victor 1, Sierra Echo Foxtrot. Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Mayroon po akong di nakopya kanina. Pakibalik na lang po yung bali pangalawa do sa Sierra X-Ray pa ba yun? Yung isa po.
CW1, Victor X-Ray Romeo.
Copy na po yung Victor X-Ray Romeo. Yung pong isa po na sinundan mo kanina, Victor X-Ray Romeo.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. Copy mo, Tito Nelson, DW1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Copy at napatungan ko yung isa. Pakibalik po yung may foxtrot yung isa kanina, yung tumagot bago mag Queen Echo Whiskey. Pasensya na po at napatungan ko yung pangalan nung isa nagiwa kong Queen Echo Whiskey si Tito John. Yung isa po kanina, yung sinundan ni Tito Jun, pakibalik po at nabura ko po yung yung call sign. Naalista mo ba Tito Ruth Boy yun?
Ang nakopya ko dito, si Tito John, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, at saka si D1 PRF. Yung isa, wala pa.
Ayun, kopya Tito Dindo at please standby po at unahin ko na po yung isa kanina, yung Sierra X-Ray Foxtrot. Tama ba ako doon? Is that QSL? Mali yata yung lista ko. Mayroon po ba kanina yung Sierra X-Ray Foxtrot o tama ba ako? Nawala. Umpisa ko na lang po kay Tito Jun. Queen Echo Whiskey. Go ahead po.
Magandang gabi sa lahat at sa lahat ng mga nakasama ng station. Good evening, Dixon PRS. Nagpapadala lang po, number and traffic 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jun ng UP Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. Go ahead.
Good evening, Control, and good evening to all the stations on monitor. This is TW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. My handle is Ray from Cavite City, from the group DX1ER. Join the net for DX1 PRS 73, and God bless. Salamat po. Good evening.
Likewise, Tito Roy, God bless. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Ray ng Cavite City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo is properly logged and cleared. 73, move another station, one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Go ahead, Tito Jun.
Copy likewise, 4H1, Lima Charlie Uniform Nelson. Magandang gabi rin sa lahat ng estasyon ng Kantaway. The supporting our groups net from Calamba City, 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Ay, marami pong salamat, Tito John. Kung may nalampasan po ako, pakiulit na lang po yung call sign at baka may nakaligtan na kasi mayroon ako na lista kanina na wala yung sa laggo rito, baka namali ako. Acknowledge ko station ni Tito Cesar ng Calamba, Laguna, also from the group at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS, ang masisipag po nating NCS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net, Tito Cesar. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Tito Dindo, for Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Gulf. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi dito rin po. Magpapalala nga po ng support for Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Gulf 70.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Dindo ng Comembo, Makati, from the group, the X1 ART. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta for Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf is properly logged and clear. Pasensya na at naduling lang. Move another station, Tito Arnel sa sa live check-in ko. Delta Yankee 1, acknowledge your station. Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee, si Tito Arnel ng Los Baños, Laguna. Maraming salamat sa palaging pag-suporta sa DX1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee is properly logged and clear at another station from Agusan del Sur. Acknowledge ko lang ang station ni Tito Mike Reds ng Trento, Agusan del Sur, Mindanao. Thank you for always supporting Tito Mike. For DX1 PRS Evening Net Church Station, Delta Uniform 9, Mike Echo Romeo is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station? Tito Rootboy, kopya ba yun?
Pakibalik po ng nagtatransmit. Negative, Tito Nelson, back to you.
Tito John, kopya mo? Pasensya na po at hindi po namin makopya yung kung mayroon po kayong nakabukas po kayo sa Facebook, pwede po niyo makita yung aking live at kayo po ay mag-check-in sa aking live feed sa FB, Nelson Celosa Paraleas. At doon ko na lang po kayo i-acknowledge. Marami pong salamat at 73. Any more station?
Break, Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
Coordinate. Yung nag-check-in kanina si Tito Mike, may together with pa siya sa Facebook, Delta Victor 9 India Yankee India, si Tita Rose.
Ayun, oo nga. Acknowledge ko na din niyo si Tito Mike Reds. Acknowledge ko na din si Tita Rose. At mamaya ko na lang ayusin yung kanyang record dito sa sa database. At acknowledge ko si Tita Rose. Magandang gabi po diyan sa Agusan del Sur. At 73. Kanina sino ba yung nadinig? Parang nadinig ko yata si pakiulit nga po, yung may Yankee.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, for the net.
Go ahead na, Tito Dation.
Po, Tito, magandang gabi po. For Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, joining the DX1 PRS net, 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledge Church Station, Tito Jason ng Tagaytay City. From the group, DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta is properly logged and cleared. 73. Any more station? Shout out kay Ninette Bien and Fernan Celosa, kamag-anak ko. At kay Tito Juni, watching pa rin siya. Check-in na lang, Tito Juni. Dito lang ako. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net?
For the net.
Delta, Solo 1 Delta.
1 Mike Alfa Romeo for the net.
Ayun, copy 3 station. Mike Alfa Romeo. Ayun, si Tito Mar, si Tito Don, at saka si Tito Jun. Standby lang po si Tito Mar, Tito Don. Tawag ko lang po si Tito Jun. Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra. Welcome to the Evening Net.
Good evening, Nelson. Nag-actual station na monitor, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the net of our group, DX1 Paris. 73 again, good evening, and no more traffic. Mabuhay.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Jun ng Muntinlupa City. Also from the group at Head Technical Committee Affair of DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra is properly logged and clear. 73. Move another station, Delta Sulu 1, Delta. Tito Don, go ahead.
KSL, magandang gabi. Supporting DX1 PRS. Net call 73, salamat.
Delta Victor 3 Romeo Whiskey.
Copy, Tito Rowlen, please stand by at acknowledge ko lang po si Tito Don. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Don, na From the group, Hams Philippine Incorporated, the X3 Hotel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet, your station, Delta, Sulu 1, Delta is properly logged and clear. Intelligent na lang po kay Tito Mar. Unahin ko lang po si Tita Roland sa may kuwayang Bulacan at medyo mahina siya sa akin. Delta Victor 3, Romeo Whiskey, go ahead po.
Yes, good evening all around. Just checking in my 73 and mabuhay. Thank you.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Rowland ng may kuwayan Bulacan. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet, your station, Delta Victory 3, Romeo Whiskey is properly logged and clear. 73, pagpasensya na po kahit parang sisipunin ako. Back to you, Tito Mar, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo, go ahead.
41 Bravo Kilo Alpha.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. 1 Mike Alfa Romeo, supporting the net of the X1 PRS. No further traffic. 73, mabuhay. God bless. And mabuhay.
Copy, Tita Paul Jen, at please standby. Acknowledge ko lang po si Tito Mar ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet, your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Tita Pauline, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha. Go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Paul Jean, at medyo choppy ka sa akin pero na kokopya ko naman yung audio mo. Mas malakas lang yung nung hugong, yung parang ulan. Acknowledge your station, Tito Paul Jean ng Libertad, Pasay City. From the group, DX1 SPR. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet, your station, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? Shout out kay Kevin Marciano, nanonood siya, nasa ibang bansa yata siya. Mike Red,
Tito Nelson, kopya mo for Golf Farm Charlie Bravo Lima.
Hindi, Tito. Paano na lang? Pa-relay na lang, Tito.
Okay, calling the station of 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima, Josie, good evening, welcome to this one, Pressnet, 4G1 PUR, calculate for the pullout, go ahead. And keep safe and God bless. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Maraming salamat, Tito Rootboy, sa pag-relay. Acknowledge your station, Tita Josie ng Rodriguez Montalban Rizal. From the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet, your station. 4 Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima is properly logged and clear. Any more station? Shout out din kay Jay Campo from Cainta and Ami Tulbo, ang aking mga classmates. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, my handle is Nelson. I am transmitting Binangonan Rizal. For the X1 PRS will be standing by.
DY1 Lima Papa.
Copy, Lolo Pedro, please stand by. Any more?
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Copy, Tito Rolly, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Tito Rolly, stand by. Tawag nyo lang si Lolo Pedro. DY1, Lima Papa. Go ahead, Tito, Lolo Pedro.
Gabi po, DY1 Lima Papa. Checking in, mabuhay ang PRS. Salamat.
Ayun, mabuhay din sa iyo, si Lolo Pedro ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibignet Church Station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Papa is properly logged and cleared. 70, move another station. Delta Victory 1, Oscar Mike Victor. Go ahead, welcome to the Ibignet.
Good evening,
Old Man Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. Just checking in to the X1 PRS net. No traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
Acknowledge Short Station, Tito Rolly ng Pineda Pasig from the group DX1 Charlie Whiskey. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Short Station, Delta Victory 1, Oscar Mike Victor is properly logged and cleared. 73. Any more station?
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy. Tito Romano, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike, go ahead. Welcome to Evening Net.
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapatalan sa gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
Maraming salamat, Tito Romano. Acknowledge Church Station, si Tito Romano na San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike is properly logged and clear. Yung po mga nadyan sa Facebook naka-view na may call sign license ay pwede po kayong mag-check-in agad at pwede ko po kayo ma-acknowledge agad at ako po ang control ngayon. Marami pong salamat. Waiting for you. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
Break, contact kay Tito Romano.
Go ahead, Tito.
Tito Romano, Romeo Oscar Mike, andyan ka pa ba? Tito Romano, calling. Wala, back to you.
Ayun. Back to me, Tito. CQ break. Any more station? CQ break pati ako. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
DY1 Victor India Papa.
DY1 Victor India Papa. Go ahead na po and pakibigay na lang po yung complete call sign at handle location.
Good evening, call station. DY1 Victor India Papa with the handle of Noel, transmitting over Muntinlupa. Just joining the evening net and good evening, call station on monitor.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Noel ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Victor India Papa is properly logged and cleared. 73 any more station.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Copy, Tito Nato, please stand by. Any more? Excuse me po. Nothing heard. Tito Nato, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima. Go ahead. Welcome to Evening Net.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima, with the handle of NATO, transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the Evening Net. 73.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Nato ng General Trias, Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima is properly logged and clear. 73 any more station.
For India 1, Bravo November, Charlie.
Copy, Tito Bong, please stand by. And more? Nothing heard. Tawagin ko na po si Tito Bong for India 1, Bravo November, Charlie. Welcome to the Evening Net, Tito Bong.
Good evening, Nelson, and to all station. Please log my station for India 1, Bravo November, Charlie. Muntinlupa. And ngayon pa lang kita siguro mababati ng Happy New Year, Nelson, and for H1 LCU. For I1 BNC, 73.
Likewise, Tito Bong, at lagi natatapat sa kanila yung pag-check-in mo at ako naman yung nakamonitor. Ganon din ang aking pagbati sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and Happy Three Kings na din. Acknowledge your station, Tito Bong, ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station for India 1. Bravo, November Charlie is properly locked and clear. 73 anymore?
For Golf 1, Yankee Julia Charlie.
Tito Raymond, copy. Please stand by and more. Nothing heard. Tawagin ko na si Tito Raymond for Golf 1. Yankee Juliet Charlie, welcome to Evening Net.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, all stations on monitor. For Golf 1, Yankee Julia Charlie, checking into the net with no traffic by 73. Salamat.
Break, Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, Tito Raymond, pwede makibigay yung full name mo at saka yung family name for the certificate?
Ano po, pakiulit po, go ahead.
Pakibigay po yung full name, yung pangalan na buo at saka yung family name para sa certificate.
Radyo po, surname po is Blanche. B-L-A-N-C-H-E. Bravo, Lima, Alpha, November, Charlie, Hotel, Echo.
Yung family name po, bali yung Blanche, yun yung family name. Yung pangalan ay Raymond, QSL.
QSL po, Romeo, Alpha, Yankee, Mike, Uniform, November, Delta.
Okay, QSL. Thank you, Tito Raymond. Back to Tito Nelson for the acknowledgement.
Ayun, salamat Tito Rootboy at acknowledge ko na lang si Tito Raymond ng Dasmariñas, Cavite. From the group, the X1 Wapi. Basta Wapi, happy. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station for Golf 1. Yankee, Juliet Charlie is properly logged and clear. 73 anymore?
UA1 Charlie, November Delta. For India 1, Mike, Victor X-ray.
Copy, Tito Chito, Tito Felix, please stand by anymore?
DB3REY,
Pakibalik nga po.
Delta, Victory 3, Romeo, Echo, Yankee.
Ayun, copy, Tito Ray, please stand by lang po Tito Chito, Tito Felix, unahin ko lang po si Tito Ray na at medyo malayo-layo. Go ahead na po, Tito Ray.
Ayun, nakasalamat sa pinauna mo ang malayo. Ayun, salamat Tito. Good evening, DB3REY, checking in for DX1, PRS. No traffic. Maraming salamat, 73.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Ray. Ham Philippines Incorporated, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta, Victory 3, Romeo, Echo, Yankee, properly log and clear. Back to, sa station, Tito Chito. Delta Yankee 1, Charlie, November Delta, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito. Just supporting Evening Net. No other traffic. 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Chito, ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Charlie, November Delta is properly locked and clear. Balikan ko lang si for India 1, Mike Victor X-ray, Tito Felix, ng DX1 Ace, at one of them CS, ng DX1 Ace. Welcome to the Evening Net.
Boys, magandang gabi, Control. Magandang gabi, all station. 4I1, Mike Victor X-ray, nagpapatala, 73.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Felix, ng Imos, Cavite. From the group, the X1 Ace, at one of the NCS of the X1 Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station for India 1, Mike Victor X-ray is properly logged and clear. At pasabay na lang din sa inyo, Tito. Maraming salamat for H1 LCU to.
For Golf 1, Alpha November Ranger.
Copy, Tito Gani. Please stand by and more. Tito Rootboy, kopya mo?
Si Tito Ed, DU1, Kilo India Yankee.
Unahin mo na, Tito.
Okay, D1 Kilo India Yankee. Kaed, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet for G1 PUR for the relay. 73, keep safe and God bless, ka-Ed. Back to you, Tito Nelson, si DU1 Kilo, India Yankee yon.
Maraming salamat sa pag-relay, Tito Rootboy. Acknowledge your station, Tito Ed ng San Pedro Laguna from the group DX1 EBM at medyo hindi po kita makopya, putol-putol po na walang audio. Acknowledge your station, Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankees, properly logged and clear. At balikan ko po si Tito Gani, maraming salamat sa pag-intay. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, go ahead.
Likewise, magandang gabi. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, transmitting from GMA Cavite, handled by Gani, supporting the evening net, no other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Ed ng Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS evening net. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha November India is properly logged and clear. 73 Enmore station.
DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta.
Copy, Tito Edgar. Please stand by. Anymore? Nothing here. Tawagin ko na pala si Tito Edgar. Galing pa ng malayo to. Kabitdam, Bulacan. Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta. Go ahead po.
Ayun, magandang gabi, DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta. Join the net, more power, God bless. 5x5 dito sa Ginto, Bulacan.
Likewise, Tito Edgar at dito kay 5x3 fluctuating to 4K dito sa Binangonan Rizal. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Edgar ng Giginto, Bulacan. Delta from the group DX3 Whiskey Charlie. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net Church Station. Delta Whiskey 3 Whiskey Echo Delta is properly logged and cleared. 73 Enmore Station. Sinisipon talaga ako.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Kapit ito Dan. Yung pa pong isa napasabay. Kopya mo ba yung Tito Rootboy?
Kopya si 4 India 1 Yankee Quebec Juliet.
Pasensya na po sa unahin ko na po yung Yankee Quebec Juliet. Go ahead.
Control, this is 4-1 Quebec from Santa Rosa, Laguna. From supporting
Ayun, acknowledge sa station, Tito Ricky ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. From the group, DX1 Mike Kilo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Network Station, 4 India 1, Yankee Quebec Juliet is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko lang po si Tito Dan at ang aming auditor ng DX1 PRS. Welcome to the evening net, Tito.
Yeah, good evening, Nelson. Good evening, kay Rootboy. And to all station and monitor checking in, supporting our GhostNet call. With no traffic, 73, and fine evening to all. Mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledge ko po si Tito Dan ng Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group at auditor ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net, Tito Dan. Your station for Golf 1, Lima, Delta Kilo is properly logged and clear. At shout out ko din si Jennifer Paracaro ng binibilhan natin ng mga equipment sa Santa Cruz sa Regiocom. Magandang gabi dyan sa inyong lugar, Tita Jennifer. Maraming salamat. At acknowledge ko naman din po ang station ni Delta Victory 1 Sierra Charlie Papa ng DX1 MMM, si Tita Salvacion. Magandang gabi po dyan sa inyong lugar. Your station Delta Victory 1 Sierra Charlie Papa is properly logged and cleared. 73 Enmore Station.
4G1 Mike Victor Lima.
Ayun, yung aking kaibigan sa Lucena at medyo malinis yung audio sa akin ngayon. Magandang gabi dyan, Adrian.
Ayun, magandang gabi din sa iyo, Olman Nelson. Sa akin, Olman Rupo, narinig ko rin kanina. Ayun, magandang gabi sa lahat. 4G1 Mike Victor Lima, supporter ng GroupNet. 70 mabuhay. Salamat, Olman Nelson.
Salamat din, Adrian. Your 5x4 dito fluctuating. Thank you for all. Acknowledge your station, si Adrian ng Lucena City. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Gulf 1, my Victor Lucena is properly locked and clear. 73, any more station?
Delta Victor 1, Whiskey Whiskey.
Copy, Tito Vic, please stand by. Any more?
For Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima.
Copy, Tito Elmore, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Tito Elmore, please stand by. Tawagin ko lang po si Tito Vic. Delta Victory 1, Whiskey Whiskey. Welcome to Evening Net.
Good evening, just supporting the evening of X1 PRS. No traffic, 70. Thank you.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Vic, na San Pedro, Laguna. From the group, DX1 L. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Whiskey Whiskey is properly locked and clear. Move another station, Tito Elmore. For Group 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima. Welcome to the Evening Net.
Thank you, Tito Nelson. Magandang gabi for H1LCU for DX1 PRS. Just joining and supporting the net for Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima with the handle of Elmore from Muntinlupa City. No further traffic, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Elmore ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. For Group 1, Foxtrot, Bravo Lima is properly locked and clear. 70, any more station? Shout out kay Tito Panto at nanonood siya. CQ Net. Any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Ana Ocampo, shout out. Salvacion. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQ Net, any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform. I am transmitting Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
Tito Errol, copy, go ahead na.
Gandang gabi po, Tito Nelson. Gandang gabi po sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Nagpapatawa lang, 73. Gandang gabi sa lahat.
Ganon din sa iyo, Tito Errol, magandang gabi. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Errol ng GMA Cavite. From the group, DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray Papa is properly locked and cleared. 70, any more station? Shout out daw kay Leia Aragones Rublico, nanonood. Any more station? CQ Net, any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Tito Rotboy, kopya ba yun?
Negative, Tito Nelson.
Pasensya na po at di po namin kayo makopya. Kung mayroon po kayong FB, naka-live po ako sa FB at pwede po kayo mag-check-in doon ng inyong call sign. Marami pong salamat. May FB page, may FB ano ko, Nelson Celosa Paraleas. Marami pong salamat. Any more station?
Papa Uniform Victor daw, Nelson.
Ayun, Tito Volter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Go ahead na, Tito Volter.
No problem po, Walter. 73. Okay na, Nelson. Tapos na.
Oo, nadinig ko, Tito, at nag-zero squelch ako eh. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Volter. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Volter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Maraming salamat sa pagsali sa gabing ugnayan sa DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for India 1, Papa, Uniform Victor is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi dyan sa Batangas, Alae. Any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. For the X1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. For the X1 PRS will be standing by. Yung po mga gusto po magpa-check-in, please type lang po inyong call sign at handle, location. Marami pong salamat para po maitala ko rito sa aking talaan. Marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood po sa live feed. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. For the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
For I1, Mike Victor India.
Ayun, nakita ko na naman yung aming prinsesa ng DX1 PRS. Go ahead na, Juliana.
Hi, Tito Nelson.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all stations. For H1 LCU for the X1 PRS Net. For I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group. The group net.
the Groups Net. Ayun. No further traffic, 73. Magandang gabi.
Paganda yung audio ni Juliana. Tito Robert, acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana. Magandang gabi dyan sa Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting our Evening Net Church Station for India 1. Mike Victor India is properly logged and clear. 70 anymore. Shout out kay Crisanto at kay pinanonood. Any more station? Tito Rodboy, kopya mo ba yun? May nadinig ako eh.
Oh, parang nagmo-mobile eh. Baka si, ano yan, si 4-1 Alpha Golf Juliet siguro. Try ko, 4-1 Alpha Golf Juliet, ikaw ba yan, Edsel?
Parang Bravo Sierra Yankee portable po yata.
Ayan, baka ano daw sabi ni Tito Robert, Bravo Sierra Yankee.
Ayun, nadinig ko nga siya at medyo ano sa akin. Nadinig ko na si Tito Ariel. Go ahead, Tito Ariel.
Good evening, pasensya na. Dito ako sa labas na medyo taking in other topics na
Ayun, okay lang Tito Ariel at medyo nakopya-kopya kita. Nawala lang yung bandang huli mo pagkatapos ng thank you. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Ariel ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Church Station for Group 1. Bravo Sierra Yankee on portable is properly logged and cleared. 73 Enimort Station. SiguNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net.
For Hotel 1, Echo United, November.
Copy, Tito Erwin. Please stand by. Any more?
For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot.
Copy, Tito Don. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Tito Don, please stand by. For Hotel 1, Echo United, November. Welcome to Evening Net.
Sir, good evening. Just joining the evening net for Hotel 1, Echo United, November. Maraming salamat po. Ingat-ingat po.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Erwin ng Parañaque City from the Smart. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station for Hotel 1, Echo United, November. Is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Tito Don, go ahead ng Cainta Rizal. Kababayan ko to.
Good evening, Dito Nelson. Good evening, DX1 PRS. At good evening sa lahat. For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Joining the net. No traffic. Maraming salamat, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Don ng Cainta Rizal from the group DX1 RAM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net Church Station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot is properly logged and cleared. 70 Enimort Station.
Tito Nelson, habulin ko si Tito Erwin kung nandyan pa.
Go ahead na.
For Hotel 1, Echo Uniform, November. Tito Erwin, nandyan ka pa ba? For Hotel 1, Echo Uniform, November. Wala na, nag-USY. Yung isa sa mga ano natin, dapat kukunin ang pangalan niya eh.
Ayun, hindi mo agad ako naunahan Tito kanina eh. Madidinig naman niya pag ano, una muna ako para ano. Hindi ko kasi kabisado eh.
Lagyan mo lang ng konting gap pa bago i-acknowledge. Kunyari, nag-ano na siya. Tapos na siya mag-transmit. Lagyan mo ng konting gap para may chance ako mag-break.
QSL Tito. Sige. At maraming salamat Tito. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Maraming salamat, inaanak na
Hotel 5 Victor.
Copy, Tito Bani, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Go ahead na po, Tito Bani.
Isang magandang gabi, Tito Nelson, at sa lahat ng nakikinig sa Impapawid. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabing lambatan ng DX1 PRS. Kasama ang aking may bahay, pating may bahay na si Delta Yankee 1, Lima India. 73, wala na pong mensahe. Si Bani and Leia from Pasig City.
Ayun, acknowledge your two station, Tita Leia and Tito Bani ng Pasig City from the group DX1ER. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your two station, Delta United 1, Hotel Lima Victor, and Delta Yankee 1, Lima India is properly logged and cleared. 70 Enimort Station. Salamat inaanak na RJ Stanislao Buesa. At siya po ay naka-view sa ating live. Maraming salamat inaanak. Enimort station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQ Net, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform, my handle is Nelson. I am transmitting Binangonan Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Copy, Mr. Vice President, and go ahead na.
Good evening, Nelson. Alam mo gabi sa lahat. Just 14 hour net call, no traffic, 72 call, why?
Acknowledge your station. Tito Alaric ng Muntinlupa City, also from the group at Vice President ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net, Tito Alaric. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Kilo, Whiskey, Mexico is properly logged and cleared. 73. Any more station?
Hotel 1, Echo United, November.
Ayan, Tito Nelson, break muna, pull out ka. 421 Echo Uniform November.
Dito, sorry, naka-check-in na pala ako dito, sorry.
Tito Emil, okay lang kasi tinatawagan ka sa kanina para makuha yung full name at saka family name mo.
Copy. Yun, nice. Full name?
Cell at saka yung family name, pakibigay sa akin para sa certificate.
Copy. Erwin Joseph K. Garag.
Erwin Joseph. Ang Joseph mo, ano yan, may yung PH?
Copy.
Tapos yung family name ay Charlie Alpha Romeo Alpha Golf.
QSL.
Okay, maraming salamat Tito Erwin sa checkback 73.
Buti na lang, Tito, bumalik. Salamat, Tito, pangalan to. Ayun, basta yun.
Erwin po.
Thank you at magandang gabi dyan. Any more station?
For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf.
Copy, Tito Jomar, and go ahead.
Evening Control. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf. Joining the Net 73 and mabuhay. Likewise, nanonood ako ng live po dito.
Ay, maraming salamat, Tito, at ikaw ay naka-view sa akin live. Makikita mo sa aking screen ang iyong call sign. Maraming salamat. Acknowledge your station, Tito Jomar ng Alabang, Muntinlupa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf is properly logged and clear. Maraming salamat, Tito Jomar. Any more station? SecureNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
Si Tito Ed.
Go ahead, Tito.
Go ahead na, Tito Ed. Welcome, Tito Ed. Okay, Nelson, tapos na.
Ano nga ba yung call sign ni Tito Ed?
Whiskey India Echo, DU1 Whiskey India Echo.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Ed ng San Pablo, Laguna, from the group, DX1 SPC. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. Delta Uniform 1 Whiskey India Echo is properly logged and cleared. 73. Any more station? Shout out kay John Mardy Villanueva. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQ Net. Any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Time check, 8:58 p.m. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net?
Tito Nelson, na-acknowledge mo na si na 4 Golf 1 Bravo India at saka si 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Golf sa ating group chat.
Ay, hindi pa. Mamaya ko na lang sila tatawagin, Tito. Yung ano.
USL.
USL, Tito. Maraming salamat. Ayun, ano, any more station? Nothing heard. Acknowledge ko nga pala yung kanina, si na early check-in, nakalimutan kong banggitin, si Doc Ina, for Golf 1, Delta Queen Juliet, si Whiskey 6, Echo United Golf, Stroke 1, Tito Jean, and for India 1, Bravo India, Tito Jojo. And for Golf 1, Queen Alpha Solo, si Tito Joy ng Dubai na taga Binangonan. For India 1, Echo Romeo Tango, Tito Eric, at si Press Delta Victory 1, United Lima Mike. Magandang gabi dyan sa inyo, Tito Francis. Ayun po, at mamaya babanggitin ko po ulit kayo sa aking recap. Any more station? Ayun, ang isa pa si Tito Jomar, for Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf. Di ba naka-check-in ka na rito, Tito Jomar? Acknowledge your station, si Tito Jomar ng Alabang Muntinlupa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf is properly logged and clear. 73 anymore. Shout out kay Agnes Eribal Cerda. Magandang gabi sa iyo. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Last call. Last call for CQ break. Any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting Binangonan Rizal for Dex 1 PRS. Will be standing by. Last call. Habol pa po kayo kung may habol.
For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, habol.
Copy, Alpha Kilo Tango. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Control, at magandang gabi sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Nagpapatala lang at bumabati. Magandang gabi.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Roweno, Nandas Marinas, Cavite, from the group DX1 Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango is properly logged and clear anymore. May habol pa po ba? Kung may gusto pa po magpatala, mangyari pong mag-break lang at ako po yung magre-recap po ng aking checklist. Marami pong salamat. Yung kanina po, si Doc Ina for Golf 1, Delta Queen Juliet, si Doc Ina ng Alabang Muntinlupa, si Tito Jean for Whiskey 6, Echo United Gold, Stroke 1, Tito Jean for India 1, Bravo India, Tito Jojo. For Golf 1, Queen Alpha Zulu, Tito Joy ng Binangonan Rizal na nasa Dubai po ngayon. For India 1, Echo Romeo Tango, si Tito Eric ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Delta Victory 1, United Lima Mike, si Tito Francis at President ng DX1 PRS. Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, si Tito Rootboy at one of the NCS ng DX1 PRS. For Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred. For Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Tita Amor at Corporate Secretary natin. Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Mayroon po isa kanina na hindi ko nakuha yung call sign at mukhang na mali lang siguro ako ng pagtatype rito. Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito June. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Cesar at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. For Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Golf. For Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee. Delta Uniform 9, Mike Echo Romeo. At saka po yung kasama niya kanina si India Yankee India at mamaya ko na po ayusin yung kanyang call sign. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, Tito Jason. Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra. Delta Zulu 1, Delta. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. Delta Victory 3, Romeo Whiskey. For Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha. For Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima. Delta Yankee 1, Lima Lima Papa. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. At may isa pa akong VIP rito. Check ko na lang po mamaya uli yung VIP na nakalista sa akin at di ko po abisado yung ano. For Golf 1, VIP pala, Delta Yankee 1, VIP. Si Noel ng Muntinlupa pala yun. For Golf 1, Bravo 55, Tito Nato. For India 1, Bravo November Charlie, si Bong ng Muntinlupa. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, Delta Yankee 1, Charlie November Delta. For India 1, Mike Victor X-Ray, Delta Victory 3, Romeo Echo Yankee. For Golf 1, Alpha November India. Delta Uniform 1, Kilo India Yankee. Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta. For Golf 1, 5 Delta Kilo, Dito Dan. Delta Victory 1, Sierra Charlie Papa. For India 1, Yankee Quebec Juliet. For Golf 1, may Victor Lucena ng Lucena City, si Adrian. Delta Victory 1, Whiskey. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-Ray Papa. For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. For India 1, Mike Victor India, Robert Las Juliana. For Golf 1, Bravo Sierra Yankee, si Ariel. For Hotel 1, Echo United November. For India 1, 5 Charlie Foxtrot. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel 5 Victor. Delta Yankee 1, 5 India. Delta Victory 1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico. Tito Alaric at Vice President natin. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf. Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey India Echo. For Hotel 1, nakadoble pala yung akin, Delta Golf. At saka Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey India Echo. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango. Wala na po. Mayroon pa bang hahabol? Baka po mayroon pang hahabol bago ako mag-close ng net call. Last call, anymore? Ayun, kopya ba yung Truth Boy?
Hindi, parang naka-mobile. Baka si Jay na, baka si Edsel yan.
Ayun, acknowledge lang kita, Tito Edsel, at baka ikaw ngayon naka-mobile. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Edsel, si AGJ. Acknowledge your station, Tito Edsel, ng San Pedro, Laguna, also from the group. At thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Minute. Your station for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet is properly logged and clear. At ingat-ingat po tayo sa pagmamaneho. Maraming salamat. God bless, Tito Edsel. Meron pa?
For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform.
Ayun, go ahead, Tito.
Yes, good evening and good evening to all station for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform. Just joining and supporting the X1 PRS Net 73 and keep safe always. Thank you.
Salamat sa paghapol, Tito Jun. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Jun. From the group, the X1 ER, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform is properly logged and clear. At wala pa yung ibang kababayan ko rito. Baka nag-net call pa rin si Tito Nick. Baka nag-net ko si Tito Nick, hindi ko na sama na kita rito, Tito Nick. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Nick, November Tango ng Taytay Rizal. From Tagus DX1 ART. Magandang gabi dyan sa Taytay. Sa ngayon po wala na po nagano at ating pong isasarado ang ating net call. Ilan ba ako? We would like to thank the all 61 station would check in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 MHz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 MHz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform saying good night and God bless to all. Pagpalain po tayo nawa ng buong may kapal sa pang-araw-araw nating kabuhayan at tayo po ay umiwas sa sakit. Mag-ingat at God bless. 70.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.